So I recently made a Samsung S20 FE unboxing video, and I wanted to follow up that video with how I customize my own phone to suit my own taste. And I wanted to show you guys how you can also customize your own phone. One thing I really like about Android is that it's very customizable. I didn't get an iPhone because even with the new iOS 14 update, you have to jump through hoops and obstacles to really get your phone to suit your own taste. And on Samsung, it's just a lot more easier and it's very intuitive. So one thing about me is I really like K-pop and I love bands like BTS and Blackpink. So I'm gonna be customizing my phone as like a K-pop phone. Okay, so this is my phone right now. I have a BTS logo and a purple icon pack, but I'm gonna be showing you how to do it, and I'm gonna be doing it, trying to theme it as a Blackpink phone. So first I'm gonna try to find a wallpaper, and I'm just gonna search for a Blackpink logo. And 4K. And these pop up, and I'm gonna save this image to my camera roll, and I'm gonna set it as my wallpaper. Okay, and so now that I have downloaded, I'm gonna set it as my wallpaper. And now I have a purple icon pack, but that doesn't really match with the pink. So I am going to change it. And so how I do that is you long press for themes right there. And then I'm gonna try to find a pink icon pack. And so how you do it is you just hit for pink themes and you go through icons and you just look for one that you like. And the one that I really like is the this pink one by Design City, Simple and Lovely Luminescent. I think that's a typo, but anyways, I'm gonna apply it. And so yeah, here is my Blackpink themed phone. And you can do this with any wallpaper and icon pack. Yeah. And and for my keyboard, I also actually did my keyboard. So how you do your keyboard is I actually downloaded the Gboard, Google Keyboard pack, and so with that you can set that as your main keyboard, and they also let you select themes, and so you have these pink themes, these blue themes, and you just apply it. And yeah, now I have an all pink phone. But I'm gonna be setting it back to my BTS theme. So how I do that again is I change the wallpaper. I looked up the wallpaper. The wallpaper for the BTS theme I had was the Samsung BTS wallpaper. They actually did a collab with Samsung, and you can find the wallpaper for that phone online, and you just Google BTS Samsung wallpaper 4K. And then now I'm gonna change my icons again, and I'll be using the purple glow linear icon, also by Design City, and then you just apply it. So yeah, this is how I set up my phone. And I actually don't like having icons on my wallpaper, so these are just like the necessities for like calling, messaging, camera, the gallery, and then I have all my extra apps on a different tab. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and maybe you'll go out and get a Samsung phone too and set it up as a BTS phone. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.